Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing knotless boho goddess hairstyle. We're going to be using expression hair for the braiding, and we're going to be using the free tress crochet hair for curly crochet hair for our curls. All right, so you want to make sure that your parts are nice and straight. I am using my Eben gel molding gel here, and I've sped up this first part because I wanted to show you guys like a close-up of what it is that I'm doing. I already have a video on here of me doing knotless. So all I'm doing here is I part the hair, and then I'm gonna be feeding in because I feel like it's neater that way. And you'll get a chance to see close-up of what I'm doing in just a moment. So when I'm done braiding here, all I did was, instead of using crochet, because you could also use this as a crochet method, instead of crocheting the hair, the curly hair, I actually braided it in. I was using a clip to kind of keep it out of my way for a second, but then I quickly realized that I could just put it to the top of her head, and that worked for me, and it also saves me time. So watch the feed in. So I braid again, and then I'm gonna feed over and under. And you'll get a better close-up. That was not the best shot, so you'll get a better close-up as we get closer to the top portion of her head. All right, here we go. You section the box in 3, you braid, then you feed in. You want to make sure that the braids that you're adding are equal portions, because you don't want it to be too big. And I feel like a lot of us struggle with getting the braids to match each other. But the more you do it, I feel like the better you become and actually eyeballing the size of the hair. How much should I be using? And then you're just going to be braiding. Now with her hair, each time I kind of braid down, I'm using the gel. I'm using the gel on my fingers because it allows for less traction. You don't want, because sometimes you're braiding and over time the fingers start to burn, so your fingers will literally glide easily going down the braid, making it easier for you as you work your way to the top of the head. And as I braid, see, I have gel on my fingers, so I'm kind of smoothing the hair together. That way I have less trimming to do. Little to no trimming since we didn't cut the hair. So if you have your gel or your jam on your fingers, it will help to kind of mold the hair and get it to where you want it to be. Okay guys, we've had multiple opportunities to see this done, so here we go again with another close-up. You want to braid, I braid one and then I start to feed in, and I typically feed in 3. Feeding in again. You got to make sure that you control the hair, because our hair just does what it wants to all the time. I love the fact that our hair is versatile. We can do so many things with these coils. Very versatile. All right, so I lost some of the footage because my battery was super duper low. My battery was low, but we're almost to the top here. So if you have come to this far into the video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because it would probably mean that you found the video helpful. So if you've gotten this far into the video, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Leave us a comment down below. Like the video. Like up the video, people. We appreciate your time. We do not take your time for granted, and so we do hope that you got something from this tutorial. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. It's a bit wet right now. The curls will spring back eventually, but I feel like if I were to do it again, I might braid the hair first and then do the hot water and then crochet the curly hair onto it. But yeah, it turned out really nicely, and so we thank you guys for sticking around.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.